How to make strike through text in WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, today I'm going to teach you how to make strike through text in WhatsApp in just few simple steps. First things first, open up your WhatsApp and select the chat where you want to send the strike through text, and then tap on the message bar and then tap on the 1 2 3 option, and then tap on the hash plus and equals to icon. There you'll find a tilde symbol. Go ahead and tap on it, and then uh, write your text, and then go to the same place again, tap on the tilde option again, and there you go. You can achieve the strike through effect, and when you send it, the tilde option will be gone. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.